Hello, my name is Priyanshu and I'm going to give you an overview of GitHub and Git and things like that which is used to manage your code and files. So first of all, what's GitHub? GitHub is actually a website where you can push your codes and use it to manage your files related to code and stuff. Actually, it's a version control website. What's version control? Version control is actually used to track changes in your files, what you have made changes and things related to that. And then how you can do that? First of all, you will have to make an account on this GitHub. Let me show you. First of all, you won't get an interface like this. I have an habit of opening that inspect. Where's that? Incognito? Yeah, here it is. So I'll go to GitHub. First of all, you will have an interface like this and you will have to make an account on this so that you can use it. Once you have an account, you won't have your account like this. It will be an empty account. You will have to fill all the details, and then you can create repositories and push your codes here so that you can check it here and you can share it with others, and others can also contribute and collaborate with you, contribute in your code and collaborate with you. This is used for that. And then how you upload all your codes here, it's done by a method called git. This is git. You have to install it on your PC so that you can push your all codes on the website on GitHub. How you do it? Let me show you. When you install it and do this git bash here, wherever your code is, you get this interface from where you can put commands like git init. I'm not going to show that. I'm not going to initiate any commit here. So things like that, like git commit, it is like that. If you want to learn this git bash in detail, I've linked a video in the description. You can learn it from there, and then I'll show you what it is. You will have to first of all download it from here. Actually, you can learn everything that from that video. So now if you don't want to use this kind of stuff, like you want GUI, what is GUI? It's general user interface. So you want GUI, then you can use this GitHub desktop. Let me show you GitHub desktop. Here it is. Yeah, this one is GitHub desktop. Like I have all the repositories here. What is repository? It's like a folder where you store all your files related to code and stuff. So you can add from here. You don't have to do that git init and things like that. You add it here, create a new repository. And if you are getting any sound from out of my space, I can't control it, so please bear with it. Now when you have uploaded all this, anybody can check your code and give you feedbacks and also collaborate with you. Also they can do one thing, that they can fork it and make their own version of your app or whatever you have done. They can do that. And then here comes one thing, that it can also help you deploy a website. Like you can do it from Netlify. Netlify is a cool website to deploy your websites, small websites. Like you can see here, it's only up till until 100 GB. So you can use it to deploy your websites. And if you want all the things in a single pack tutorial, you can watch a live stream from a teacher, Tanay Pratap. His name is Tanay Pratap. He works in Microsoft. You can check his live stream. I'll link it in the description. You can check it from there. And I hope you got overview of what is GitHub and things like that. Or that's it. Now I have to go by, and I'm going to read Eloquent JavaScript. And if you don't know what's Eloquent JavaScript, let me show you. It's a book which is very useful for people who are learning JavaScript. It's just that. Bye.